Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if you are waiting for some emails but the emails won't come, this probably because some of these problems that I'm going to show you. So the first problem that might occur is that the inbox or the emails that you want to receive is going to the spam folder. So what you need to do is click on the more and find spam, because some emails might send in here. So you can see on my spam folder in here there is no messages, but if you are find some important emails in spam, you can just here click on the emails and then move it back to inbox. So that's the first problem. And the second one, maybe your storage is full, so you need to manage your storage first before you can receiving the email. So you need to click on this. You can see this is my storage. It's 80% used, so my storage is almost full. You can just click on this and then it will be direct you to the Google One storage, and here you can see what files or what folders has taken my storage the most. So you can see my storage is taken by Google Drive the most. So you can just maybe if you are facing this problem like I did, you can just go to your Google Drive and then clean up some files that you didn't need. And here you can also do some filtering on your Gmail. You can just click on this search options, and here you can also filter. You can, for example, has attachment, you can click on search. But if you have if it's still not working, you can go to your settings in Gmail's in here, click on see all settings, and here you can go to the filters and block addresses tab. And here maybe you have some filtering on, so you need to remove that filter. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.